In this video, I'll show you how to add LinkedIn leads to MailerLite and create subscriber automatically. So assume that I'm running ads on LinkedIn, for which I have created a LinkedIn lead generation form. Now, whenever a new lead is arrived, I want that the same lead should be created as a subscriber into MailerLite so that I don't need to manually export the lead data and import it here as an email list. I want that all leads should be synced automatically with the MailerLite. So if you also want to automate this process, come with me and I will show you the whole process step by step. Alright, so this is my LinkedIn account and I'm going to integrate it with the MailerLite in order to automate this process, and I'm going to do that with the Pabbly Connect. It is an amazing integration and automation software, and I'm an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so you can see I am already logged in. You can also create your free account from the sign up free button. In the free account, you will also get free tasks to test this automation. Okay, now once you will reach to the dashboard, simply click on this blue button that is create workflow and provide any random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I have pasted the name as when lead is arrived via LinkedIn lead generation form, then add as subscribers in MailerLite. Okay, now click on create and then you will find two boxes in front of you. So these are actually trigger and action. Okay, so here trigger means when this happens and action means do this. Whenever this happens, then automatically do this. Understand with an example also. Whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, then automatically send an email via Gmail application. Okay, so this is how you need to always select the applications in which you are building an automation. Okay, according to our use case, whenever any new lead is arrived into LinkedIn lead generation form, okay, so that is why I have selected this LinkedIn lead generation form application. Automatically add that lead into MailerLite email marketing application in order to create a subscriber. So that is why I have selected MailerLite into the action application. Okay, so this is how you need to always select the applications in this trigger and action window in which you are building an automation. Okay, and now the idea here is I'm going to connect this LinkedIn and MailerLite with the Pabbly Connect, and this is how I'm going to automate this process. Okay, so simply select the trigger event first, that is new lead generation form response. Okay, read the instruction also. Triggers when you receive a new form response. Okay, so whenever a new form response will receive, the details will be first captured via Pabbly Connect. For that, I'll have to build an integration in LinkedIn and Pabbly Connect. Okay, so you need to provide the access of your LinkedIn account by simply clicking on this button. Okay, I have already provided these connections, so I can also go with the existing connections. Okay, but for that, if you also want to go with the existing connection, in the first time you will always have to go with the new connection only. Okay, so I have clicked on save and here you can see it is connected. Okay, and the account is showing. Okay, so I have total 3 accounts available into my LinkedIn account, so it is showing all 3 accounts and the lead form. Okay, so whatever the forms I have created into my LinkedIn lead account, all those forms have started visible here. Okay, so in this case I'm going to select which particular form, basically this healthcare for life. Okay, so I will take you to my LinkedIn account. Okay, so this is the advertisement section. Okay, and this is the group name I have created, that is Pabbly Connect, and in this group I'm running a campaign with the name lead generation. Okay, well, let me tell you, I'm not running any live advertisement. This is just an example that I am showing that how you can collect your leads in Pabbly Connect or maybe into the email marketing application. Okay, so you can see if I'll click on this advertisement, you will be able to see my ad. Okay, so the idea here is the user will see this particular advertisement in this way, and if he is really interested in this particular service, in this health test, he's going to click on this register button, and this is how the LinkedIn lead generation form will be open up. Okay, and now he can easily provide the details and connect with us. Okay, so I am also going to provide some dummy details here. Okay, so let me add some email address, that is demo@pabblytudes.com, asking for the phone number. So I will add a random number, something like this. Now you must be thinking that why it is already showing the values as Pabbly and subscription billing management service as the first name and the last name. Okay, so if I will take you to my ad, okay, so this is my advertisement and the page which is associated with this particular advertisement. Okay, I'll show you first. This is my page. If I will view my profile and I will edit this page, and you will see that in this particular page I have already mentioned the first name and the last name as this, and it is taking the values from this particular page. Okay, so I am not running any live ads, this is just an example. So I'll go with these details only, that is Pabbly as the first name, that is the default value again, and subscription billing management service as the last name, and again it is the default value which has been taken from this particular page. Okay, so let me submit this form, but before that let me first show you my Pabbly Connect's dashboard. Okay, so firstly you'll have to click on this button save and send test request, and you will see a blank response will be initiated, because currently I have not submitted this particular form. Now I am going to submit this form in front of you, and then again I am going to click on this button, and you will see this time it will capture all the response. Okay, so here you can see the response is received, and if I will show you the details one by one. Okay, so this is the same form name, that is healthcare for life. Okay, let me also show you other details. So here we have the same email address, that is demo@pabblytudes.com. we also have the phone number of the person, and we have the first name as Pabbly and last name as subscription billing management service. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between our LinkedIn lead generation form and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. Okay, now I'm going to send these details to my MailerLite email application, and I'm going to create a subscribers. I'm telling you this once again that I'm not running any live advertisement. Okay, so that is why I'm going with these dummy details, but if you will run some live advertisement, you will receive the real data of your leads. Okay, and action events, since I want to create a subscriber, so I have already selected the same, and just like we have built a connection in LinkedIn lead generation form and Pabbly Connect, now I'm going to connect to MailerLite with the Pabbly Connect, for which it is asking for the token. So you'll have to click on this hyperlink. Okay, and it will directly redirect us to the API page. Okay, so this is the API page, and I'm going to generate a new token in front of you. Okay, provide any random name to your token. So let's say I provide the name something like connection with LinkedIn. Okay, I'm providing this particular name. Simply click on this green button, that is create token, and this is how you can get your API key, which you can also download for the future use. Okay, for now I have closed it, and let me paste the same token and click on save, and this is how the MailerLite will be connected with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so the very first thing it is asking for the subscriber email. Okay, so remember we have just captured the details of the subscribers, basically the person whom we would like to create as a subscriber, and I don't need to manually copy this data and paste it here. Okay, I'm going to map it, and mapping is very simple inside Pabbly Connect. You'll have to click on these particular fields, and you will find the above data here in the drop down. Now why it is not showing any data? Okay, here you can see into this name field, when I have clicked on this particular field, I can actually access the above data. Okay, I just need to search for that email address or maybe the name. Okay, so here I will search for the name, since it is the field of the name. Alright, so I have mapped the first name as Pabbly, asking for the last name, well it was something like subscription billing management service, so I have mapped the same. Now I am also going to provide the subscriber email, which is the most important thing. Okay, and in order to map the subscriber email, firstly I'll have to enable this mapping button. Okay, as soon as I will do that, I will also be able to access the above data into this field also. Okay, let me search for that email address, and here you can see demo@pabblytudes.com. we have the same email, I have mapped it, and in the status I'm going to change it as active from the unsubscribe. Okay, and here I'm only going to provide the important data, rest of the fields I'm going to leave blank. Okay, so well I have remembered that we have also captured the phone number, so let us map the phone number as well. Now you must be thinking that what is this mapping which I am repeating again and again. Okay, so whatever the details you are going to map here, these details will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time. Okay, so what will happen, assume that a new lead is arrived from your form submission from your LinkedIn lead generation form. Firstly, Pabbly Connect will capture those details in every 10 minutes, because the trigger here is the polling based, and it will check for the new data in every 10 minutes, and after that it will send those details to this particular step. And this is how whatever the details I am mapping, these details will be replaced automatically as soon as a new lead data is arrived. Okay, so that is why mapping plays a major role inside this automation, and this is how this automation is going to take place. Now I am going to click on this button directly, but before that let me first to show you my dashboard of MailerLite. Here you can see I do not have any subscribers. Let me also refresh it once because it is showing 1. I'm not sure why. Alright, now it is showing 0 and I really don't have subscribers, no subscribers found. Now I'll click on this button, save and send test request in front of you, and wait for the response to receive. Alright, so response is received and it is positive. Let me go back to my MailerLite account and refresh this page and wait for the response to be created. Wait for the subscriber to be created. Alright, so here you can see it is showing that a 1 subscriber has been added, and it is the same subscriber, that is demo@pabblytunes.com. We also have the timing of subscriber creation, and if I'll click on this subscriber email, you will be able to see the name and the last name and the phone number as well. Okay, so this is how now onwards every time someone is going to submit your LinkedIn lead generation form, now you do not have to manually export this data and import it into MailerLite, because every lead will be synced here automatically into our MailerLite email marketing application. And for that you just need to create this automation inside Pabbly Connect once. After that you can sit back and relax, and you can even close Pabbly Connect, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. And just in case if you want to access this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of this workflow into the description box. Okay, you just need to click on this link and sign up into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access this workflow, this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.